How to change your region on Pinterest. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. And then click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then click on settings. And from the account information section, click on personal information. And once you're here, you will find the personal information section that has all of your informations, including the region or country. So click on it. And here you will be able to change your region to whatever country or location you want. Say, for example, I will set it to this one, and once you click on it, your country or region will be updated and changed. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your location or country on Pinterest. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.